Hello and welcome everyone. I am Thamizharasu, your business coach. And today we are diving into something that is absolutely vital in today's dynamic business landscape, marketing tools. Whether you are an entrepreneur just starting your journey, a small business owner looking to expand, or a seasoned professional striving for more efficiency, understanding and leveraging the right marketing tool can be a game changer. I have designed this video to provide actionable insights, practical guidance, and expert advice that you can implement right away. So whether you are looking to enhance your customer relationships, automate your marketing effort, or just navigate the plethora of choices out there, this guide is for you. Let's get started.
1. Introduction to Modern Marketing Tools, a comprehensive guide. The introductory section provides an overview of marketing tools, highlighting their evolution and diversity. It gives readers a glimpse into various types of tools tailored to different businesses, ranging from small to large enterprises. This foundation sets the stage for an in-depth exploration of marketing tools throughout the blog. 2. Top 10 Marketing Tools for Small Businesses in 2023. This section focuses on the most effective and budget-friendly data-driven marketing tools specifically designed to meet the needs of small businesses. By highlighting the top 10 tools for 2023, readers gain insights into contemporary solutions that offer both efficiency and affordability, aiding small business owners in making informed choices. 3. Using marketing tools for effective social media engagement. Here, the blog delves into the strategies and execution of social media campaigns using marketing tools. It offers best practices and recommendations for enhancing engagement on various social media platforms, demonstrating how modern tools can streamline and elevate social media marketing efforts. 4. How marketing tools are transforming content marketing strategy. Blog part of the blog explores how marketing tools enable businesses to create, distribute, and analyze content more efficiently. The transformation brought by these tools in content marketing strategies illustrates the shift towards a more data-driven and streamlined approach to decision-making, reaching and engaging target audiences. 5. Analytics and Performance Monitoring, essential marketing tools for success. Focusing on the analytical aspects, this section examines the tools that allow marketers to track and measure campaign success. By emphasizing the essential role of analytics and performance monitoring, readers can understand how these tools provide valuable insights and aid in decision-making. 6. Marketing Automation Tools, streamlining your marketing efforts. This section highlights the advantages of automation in marketing. By discussing tools designed for this purpose, readers gain an understanding of how automation increases efficiency and effectiveness in marketing processes, allowing businesses to reach their goals with reduced manual effort. 7. Integration of marketing tools with CRM, building stronger customer relationships. Here, the blog addresses how integrating marketing tools with customer relationship management, CRM, systems can enhance the overall customer experience. By aligning marketing efforts with customer relationship building, businesses can foster loyalty and create more personalized interactions by aligning marketing efforts with customer relationship building businesses. 8. The role of AI in marketing tools, future trends and predictions. This part explores how artificial intelligence, AI, is shaping marketing tools and offers predictions for future trends. By explaining the applications and potential of AI in marketing, readers can appreciate the revolutionary changes that AI is bringing to the marketing landscape. 9. Marketing tools for SEO, boosting your online visibility. Focusing on search engine optimization, SEO, this section serves as a guide to the essential tools that help increase a site's search engine rankings. It covers aspects like keyword research, link building, and on-page optimization, providing readers with practical insights into boosting online visibility. 10. Selecting the right marketing tools for your business. The concluding section summarizes the key considerations for selecting marketing tools, offering actionable advice tailored to various business needs. By encapsulating the core principles and practical insights, this section empowers readers to make informed decisions in choosing the marketing tools that best align with their business goals and strategies. Thank you for joining me on this insightful journey through the world of marketing tools. If you found value in this video and want to stay ahead with expert business insights, strategies, and more, I invite you to subscribe to my channel.